Hi, Anyan.
Hi, teacher.
Why did you take too long to call me again?
Yeah,
Did you forget it?
yeah.
Okay, I thought you're sleeping already.
Yeah.
Well, okay. So, Anyan, let's continue again so that we can finish right away. All right?
Yeah.
So now let's have number 7. Okay, what do you think is the best name for the story?
Yeah.
Okay, can you read it, please?
A holiday in the snow.
Okay, again. Okay, so the answer is a helicopter ride.
Yeah.
All right, so now let's have part number 5. Look at the pictures and read the story. Write words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use 1, 2, or 3 words. So, can you read the story about the birthday party, Anyan?
Yeah.
Okay.
My name's E.T. It was my birthday last weekend. On Friday, I phoned some of my friends. Hello, Jane, I said. Would you like to come to my party on Sunday evening? Sorry, Betty, she said. I can't. I have got back to check.
Toothache.
Then to check.
Mm-hmm.
Then I phoned John. He said, "No, sorry. I played football yesterday and I hurt my leg."
Okay, so let's have examples here. Betty's birthday was last weekend. On Friday, she phoned some friends to invite them to a party. Okay, so question number 1, Anyan, read and answer.
Betty's birthday was last weekend. On Friday, she phoned some friends,
Again, question
invited them
number
to
1. Oh no, question number 1. John,
John. John Crowded go to the party because she had
because she had,
oh hug
again, she had,
leg hug leg
she had what? Again, what's your answer in
she
number
had
1?
but she had a party no
What?
had a party a birthday party.
Are you sure with your answer? Okay, you must change it, Anyan. Change it. John couldn't go to the party because
Play foot because he hurt his leg in a football game.
she had
Because she
a
had
toothache. All right, so toothache is the answer in number 1. Okay, number 2, Anyan, read an answer.
John got go because he hurt his leg in a football game.
Okay, in a football game. That's correct. Okay, continue reading, Anyan.
On Saturday, I phoned Ben. He says, I'm sorry, my dad has to work on Sunday. He can drive me to your house. Then I phoned Kim. No, sorry, she said. I'm with my cousin that day. I started to cry. I want my friend with me on my birthday, Mom said. Don't be sad. Grandma and Grandpa can come here that evening.
Okay, so question number 3. Read and answer.
In cloud become because
Ben couldn't come because
he dad had to work.
again because
He dad
okay, because his dad had to work. Very good. Number 4.
the dad present that it phone sick
Is called
Kim.
Kim. Very good. Number 5.
Betty started crying because her friend crowded the be with her on her birthday.
Okay, that's correct. Her friends. Okay, number 6.
Betty's grandparents. Betty, grandma, and grandpa. Girl
Okay. Couldn't
go to your house that day.
Okay, very good. Because Betty's grandparents could go to their house that day. Okay, very good, Anya. So you got 5 points here. Okay, oh, there's one more. Okay, continue reading. On Sunday
evening, I was unhappy, but I went to my bedroom and put on my party dress. Then I went outside to run to garden, and all my friends were there. We all laughed. Then they gave me a nice yellow kite. I was very surprised. My grandparents were there too, and Kim, her cousin. We danced a lot, and they all sang happy birthday to me. It was great.
Okay. So now, read and answer number 7 question.
Betty put on her party dress in her bedroom.
Okay, party dress is correct. Next one.
All Betty's friends were in the garden.
In the garden. Very good. Number 9.
Betty's friends gave her a nice yellow kite.
A nice yellow kite. Very good. Next, number 10.
Kim come with cousin.
Okay.
And they all sang happy birthday.
Okay, and they all sang happy birthday. Very good. Okay, so you got a total of 9 points. Very good, Anian. Wait a minute. All right. So now, Anian, let's go here to part number 6. All right, you have to read the text, choose the right words, and write them on the lines. So this is a story about crocodile, okay? So you have to read and then choose your answer for the numbers 1 to 5 on the left, on the right side, okay? Start reading now, Anian.
Crocodiles live in rivers, in jungles. Lost people are afraid
Again,
crocodiles.
jungles. So what's your answer, number 1?
Lost.
Okay, wait. Okay, answer is many. Okay, just continue reading, Anya.
Many people of crocodile. They eat fish, birds, animals, and some people.
Okay.
They do not eat very often, but they eat a lot. Crocodiles have very short legs, but they can run quicker than a man. The teeth are bigger than a small children's hand.
Okay, child's hand. Okay, next.
Crocodiles come from eggs. The mother calls her baby to the water in her mouth. Here they learn to swim. Baby crocodiles.
Baby crocodiles.
Is not have teeth. Do not have teeth. So you can pick them up and carry them in your hand.
Okay, very good. So you got, this one is wrong, and can, shall, and do. Okay, so you got 3 points in this part, Anya. Okay, so wait for me. I will open one more.
Yeah.
Okay, let's begin one more time. Okay, so this one is a speaking activity. So look at the picture, Anyan. Find the differences between the two pictures, okay? Just tell me your answer.
Okay.
Okay, now let us see.
No.
Okay, so explain your answers, Anyan. What are your answers?
Picture 1. The flock on the helicopter. Picture 2. The bird on the helicopter. Picture 1. The girl fly kite. Picture 2. The boy is black kite.
Okay.
Picture 1. The pilot put his
What is
hat.
that? The pilot.
The pilot have blue hat. Picture 2. The pilot don't have hat.
Okay.
Picture 1. Picture 1 have 2 clouds. Picture 2 have 3 clouds.
Okay. Is that all?
Picture 1. The helicopter is red. Picture 2. The helicopter is yellow.
Okay, very good. So now let us see the correct answers, Anya. So here are the suggested answers, okay? The helicopter is red, but the other helicopter is yellow. 2 and 3 clouds, man with and without hat, frog and a bird, and next one is a girl and boy playing with kites. Okay, very good, Anya. Now let's talk about the places that you go, okay? Question number 1, Anya. Where do you go at weekends?
I visit my grandparents.
Okay, so you visit your grandparents. So where do they live, Anya? Do they live far away from your house?
They live in countryside.
Okay, they live in the countryside. So what do you do, Anya, when you go there?
I play jump rope with my cousin.
You play?
Jump rope.
Okay, you play jump rope with your cousin. Okay, so how many cousins do you have there?
Many.
Many?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, who do you go there with?
My parents, my baby sister, and my baby brother.
Okay, your parents, your baby sister, and your baby brother. Okay, so how do you go there, Anyan? How do you go there?
By car.
Okay, so you go there by car.
Yeah.
Okay, now, where do you like going in holidays, Anyan?
I like going to Halong Bay.
Halong Bay. What can we see in Halong Bay? What can we see in Halong Bay?
Many beautiful sea.
What else?
I don't know.
Okay, so is Halong Bay, is that a beach?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a sea and you can swim there.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So now, Anyan, tell me something about your school.
My school is small.
Your school is small.
My school has 35 classrooms.
Oh, 35 classrooms. It's 35 classrooms. It's still many. Okay, and then?
My school has many trees and flowers.
And then?
My school is very beautiful.
Okay, very beautiful. So, does your school have a swimming pool?
No.
No. Okay, how about a gymnasium? Do you have a gymnasium?
Yeah.
All right. So what can you do in the gymnasium of your school? What can you do in the gymnasium of your school?
Okay. Play sport.
You can play sport there. Okay, that is correct. So now, these are some things or some places that we can go to every weekend. Okay, so what's the first one, Anyan?
Have a picnic.
Okay, have a picnic. So on weekends, Anyan, have you, does your family go to a picnic?
No.
Or sometimes only?
Yeah.
Okay, and how about going to the zoo? Do you like going to the zoo?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you like doing in the zoo? What kind of animals would you like to see inside the zoo?
I like bears.
Bears, okay. Why bears?
Because it's very beautiful.
It's very beautiful, okay. So now, Anya, let's answer this some questions here. Do you have any picnic with your family, Anya?
With my family.
Okay, so where do you usually go for picnic?
No.
No? So how about in the park? Do you go to the park for picnic?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, and what food do you usually bring for picnic? What foods do you usually bring for picnic?
Is sandwich, milk, and rice.
Okay, sandwich, milk, and rice. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So now look at the pictures here. Which animal do you like the best in the zoo?
Is a tiger.
Tiger. Are you not afraid of a tiger?
No.
Wow, that's nice. You're very strong. So why do you like a tiger, Anyan?
Because is
Because
if baby tiger is very nice.
baby tiger is very nice and it's very cute. It's like a cat, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So now, Anyan, look at the picture. Tell me a story about the 4 pictures that you can see.
One day, Mary and Tom playing. Their mother made cake.
Okay.
Tony played car. Mary eat one cake and run. Their
Okay.
mother is
Her mother is a what?
I don't know.
Okay, on the next picture, what happened? Next.
Mother is
What? Mother is?
I don't know.
Okay. So just look at the picture, Anyan. So picture number 1, look. The mother prepared a cake for their snack, okay? When she put it on the table, picture number 2, she went inside the kitchen and maybe she forgot to get something. So she had to go inside it and leave the cake in the table. So still the little boy is playing on the grass. So picture number 3, the girl suddenly got a piece of cake and then the boy didn't notice it. So picture number 4, the girl hid behind the tree, and then the mom came out and asked the boy, where is the cake? So the boy didn't notice it, and maybe he said, I don't know, mom. All right. So that is a suggestion for that story. So let's have this one, Anyan. Find the different ones. Okay, so in the first line, Anyan, which one here is different and why?
Picture 1 is a book.
Okay, why is book your answer?
Picture 2 is spider.
It's a spider. Okay, next.
Picture 3 is picture 2.
Picture 2. Okay, number 4.
In picture 4.
Picture 4. Okay, now explain your answer in number 1, Anyan. Why is book your answer?
Book is lemon, pineapple, orange, fruits.
Okay, very good. How about number 2?
2 tomato, phone dress is red, spider is black.
Okay, very good. Next, number 3.
Picture 1, picture 3, picture 4. She is green. Picture 1, picture 2. She ride a pony.
Okay, she's riding a horse. Very good. Next one. Number 4.
Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3. The animal is on the deck. Picture 4. The rabbit under the table.
Okay, very good. So your answers are all correct. Good job, Anian. Perfect score of 4. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so just in time, we are finished now with our makeup class for tonight. So thank you, Anian. See you again on Monday, 8 p.m. Okay, don't forget, 8 p.m. Okay?
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Good night.
Good night. See you again.
See you.
See you again.